Hello, this is the Intro to Sheets in Excel. It's important to follow the steps. Number one says go to google.com and then go ahead and look for the different symbols and I'll show you. Click on Sheets and then next click on Blank. Steps 1 through 5 are completed. Next go to 6. It says share with your instructor and send. Once it's sent, go ahead and go to number 9, which is the plus symbol. And then you will see Sheet 2 pop up. At that point, Sheet 1 is calculator and Sheet 2 will be income. You see on the bottom, it's step 12. It says follow A1, which is cell A1. Use the equal sign and then function. If there's no equal sign, it will not do the calculate feature for you. And the calculator feature is really cool. So at step 15, it says you must put a star symbol, which is very important. I'll show you if it's missing what will happen, but it's the multiplication symbol. If you don't use the star symbol, it'll produce an error message. You see the error message pop up because you didn't tell it to multiply. The star tells it to multiply. So you'll see at the top, it's for addition and subtraction, and this is for multiplication. And the answer is 29. Now we're going to talk about 3 squared. So 3 caret 2. Or you could use this approach, which is power parentheses 3 comma 2. I prefer 3 caret 2 because it's much easier. Don't forget to add the multiplication. That's it. We're going to stop at 17, and then what it says at 17 to click on the Income tab. So the bottom ribbon, first was Calculator, and then second is Income. You're going to see a plus symbol on the bottom right-hand corner pop up, and that is a dragging feature, which makes things much easier. It self-populates the list. So once you have all your raw data, you're good. If you have any hiccups, reach out to me. Thank you.